Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be unboxing and take a test of this MPC One. This one I got here is a special edition MPC One, the gold edition. So as you can see, once we opened it, there's this printed overview of the MPC One. And here's the printed quick user guide. And of course, the unit itself, I can already see the gold color on the device. It is not as heavy as the MPC Live. Oh, look how fancy this is. It really looks pretty compared to the original black color. The knobs have a glossy gold finish. Okay, so let me show it to you up close. Oh, I think my camera can't autofocus in this close range. So let's take a look of this so I can show you the details. As you can see, this is the gold MPC One and it looks really neat. These dedicated buttons are really essential to the MPC workflow. And the MPC pads are a bit smaller in this model. Now the touchscreen is above the 16 pads, which is what it should be and the way it has been over the years. I mean, even the machine hardwares have the same layout like the old analog MPCs. All the important shortcut buttons are here on the right side, including the Q-Link knobs and the pad banks as well. The SD card slot and the headphone jack are now on the front. The inputs and outputs in the back of the unit are all here. They added CV gate ports, but they removed the phono and light input ports. This MPC One has only 2 outputs and 2 inputs, standard 5-pin MIDI in and outs, a standard USB port, and 1 USB-A connector for inserting a USB flash drive or USB MIDI controllers. Now it's time to play some beats and test this MPC One. So that's my unboxing and first impression of the MPC One. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. If you have questions, just comment down below and I will try to answer them. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.